Hey guys, Derek with Dependable Success, Motivation, Inspiration here. We're back. We are actually changing things up. We are going to be switching to a new format, always looking for better ways to help you guys. And I think this will help people follow along and work it into their own lives quicker. So we're going to be giving our tips and our topics in a video during the first week, and then the following week we're going to do a deep dive. That way you can resonate on it, you can think about it, see how you would implement it in your life, and then we'll do a deep dive video on it the following week so you can really, get our insight and how we implement it here. So we are actually starting that right now. And this week we are going to be talking about marketing yourself, and we have 5 tips to market yourself in today's new economy. The first one is educate, up your skills. Super important. You always want to be looking to up your skills. The next one is be reliable. Be the most reliable person on earth. I mean, you want people around you talking about how freaking reliable you are, okay? Next, you want to build a community. That's number 3. Surround yourself with the right people. We always talk about that. Build yourself a community. 4, be of service to others. The more you give, the more you receive. I strongly believe that. Human beings have believed that historically since the beginning of time. So please be of service as we try to be on this channel. And number 5, identify your niche. They say there's riches in niches. I think that's partially true, but you definitely want to have a niche. You definitely want to have a specialty. All right? We'll see everybody next week. Think about it. Think about how you can apply it in your life. Subscribe to our channel. Share it with a friend. We'll catch everybody then, and we'll go deeper onto how to implement these 5.